As the summer sun warmed the bustling streets of Tainan, Tiffany, a 13-year-old Taiwanese-American girl with long, flowing hair and an adventurous spirit, arrived at her grandmother's home. For Tiffany, summers in Tainan were always a special time, an opportunity to immerse herself in her heritage and explore the vibrant city that her grandmother adored. This year, Tiffany's visit was even more exciting because 2024 marked Tainan's 400th anniversary. The city, steeped in history and culture, was celebrating with a series of special events, including a literary walking tour that promised to be a journey through the city's literary landscape. One bright morning, Tiffany and her grandmother set off to join the tour. Their first stop was the Ye Shi-Tao Memorial Hall. Tiffany marveled at the exhibits showcasing the life and works of the renowned Taiwanese writer Ye Shi-Tao. She learned that Ye's evocative prose painted vivid pictures of Tainan's past, and she was thrilled to see scenes from his novels come to life in the places he had written about. Their guide led them to the Queen's Theater on Yongfu Road, a historic venue that had once been known as the Kwansheng and Kwanmei Theaters. Tiffany's eyes widened as she learned that this was where Ye Shi-Tao's story, Red Shoes, had been set. The grand old building, with its ornate facade, felt like a portal to another time, and Tiffany could almost imagine the vibrant scenes of Ye's novel unfolding within its walls. Next, they wandered to the bustling area around Minquan Road and the old police station. Here, Tiffany discovered that the setting for Ye Shi-Tao's novel, Through the Clouds, had once been a vibrant part of the city. The narrow streets and historical architecture spoke volumes about Tainan's evolving urban landscape, reflecting the transient yet poignant moments captured in Ye's work. As they continued, the tour took them to Wumiao Street, where the traditional atmosphere of the area seemed to echo the scenes from The Blessing Temple by Ye Shi-Tao. Tiffany was enchanted by the blend of old and new, where historical temples stood alongside modern shops, creating a unique tapestry of Tainan's heritage. The next stop was the iconic Wumiao Temple, a first-class historic site dedicated to the god of war. This temple had been featured in Ye's novel, Hulu Alley Spring Dreams, where it symbolized resilience and protection. Finally, they arrived at the De Tian Ho Temple, where Tiffany was introduced to the novel, The Field of Destiny, and Orchid Flowers. The temple, with its intricate carvings and serene atmosphere, seemed to embody the spirit of Ye Shi-Tao's writing. As the tour concluded, Tiffany and her grandmother strolled through Rice Street, where the setting of chocolate and roses came alive. The quaint shops and vibrant street life provided a delightful end to their literary journey, encapsulating the essence of Tainan's charm. A literary landscape, much like an ecological museum, preserves spaces linked to a writer's life or works. These locations, featured in their stories or inspiring them, are considered cultural heritage. Returning home, Tiffany felt a renewed sense of pride in her heritage. The establishment of the Ye Shi-Tao Literary Memorial Hall is not just a tribute. Through exhibitions and literary lectures, the memorial continues to promote and carry forward the Taiwanese literary perspective that Ye built.